Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Dr. Abdul Adamu from Data Analytica. Hello everyone. Are you tired of creating boring presentation slides that put your audience to sleep? Well, I have some good news for you. Today I'm going to introduce you to SlidesGPT, an amazing tool that will help you create stunning and engaging presentation slides in minutes. So let's dive in. SlideGPT is a web-based platform that uses cutting-edge AI technology that generates high-quality presentation slides based on your content. All you have to do is to provide the platform with your text, and it will automatically create beautiful and professional-looking slides that are sure to impress your audience. It can help improve our productivity a lot. I know what you are thinking, but how does it work? Well, it is very simple. First, you don't need to create an account on the SlideGPT website. Just go to the SlideGPT website. It will bring you to the landing page, and this is the landing page. The landing page is showing very simple website. It shows SlideGPT, content and feedback, like ChatGPT for slides, presentation for people in a hurry, hamster approve. So this is the box where you put your topic, and this is very simple. Then you will have some word here, goodbye, blank spaces, hello SlideGPT, create presentation, like that, get started. These are example of how you can populate the area. Then these are what people have said about SlideGPT. If you want to know how it works, there is a video that you can also watch. So once you are on this page, you can create your slide by entering your text here, the subject or the topic that you want to create slide on. And you can enter the content manually or copy and paste it from another source. SlideGPT can work with text. Once you have entered your content, just click on create deck and slide will work its magic. So let's take an example and see how it works. I have three topics on how we can use it here. First, we want to create a presentation slide on the topic analyzing quantitative data. So click here. So it has started generating. So it has finished generating the content. We can see the content analyzing quantitative data. That are the slides. The first one, data collection. It provides the methods, descriptive statistics, inferential statistics, correlation and regression, data visualization, exploratory data analysis, statistical modeling, machine learning, big data, case study, and conclusion. And for each of these slides, it provided explanation under it. Like when it's saying data collection here, it says collecting high quality data is essential for accurate, reliable data. Different method of collecting data have different strengths and weaknesses. So that you know the explanation of what it is providing. So this is the first one we have. It has provided. If we want to generate content on the second topic, which is blockchain technology and its implication on accounting, we copy it and we take it to the deck and paste it there. We click on create deck. It has also started generating. It has also completed it. You can see these are topics it covers: blockchain basic, distributed ledger, smart contract. The explanation are under it. Accounting system overview. The thing is on point. Method of blockchain for accounting. Increased transparency and all that. The explanation is under. Challenges for blockchain in accounting. Blockchain application in accounting. Blockchain and audit trail. Blockchain and implementation. Case study. Future blockchain. So it has created also that for this second topic. The third way you can use ChatGPT to generate content is, if you look at the tip that is showing here, to create deck from blog post, add the link. So this one I want to generate a deck, presentation slide from article from grad coach from this blog on research variable. So all I needed to do is I'll bring the link. So I'll write it like this. What is research variable? Use I will paste the link. So and click create deck. So it is working on it. What is research variable? Use this link by grad coach. If you look at it, you can see research variable. It has defined it. Independent variable, dependent variable, and under it provides explanation also. So confounding variable, all of them, moderating variable, everything, it pulled it from that blog, including the references. So look at the blog here. Look at the blog. This is where it pulled all this thing from. SlidesGPT uses advanced natural language processing the same way like ChatGPT and deep learning algorithm to analyze your content and generate visually appealing slides. It can automatically select the appropriate layout, fonts, and color scheme for each slide. It can even suggest relevant images to enhance your presentation. When SlidesGPT has finished generating your slide, you will see the preview like I showed you earlier. You can change the layout, font, and color scheme, and you can add and delete images and video after you download them into PowerPoint. So if you come under here, you will see how you can download it. You can download it as PowerPoint, as Google Slide, as PDF. You can share, you can copy and share. So let me show you how we can download it. First, let me download this. So it has finished downloading. So this is our slides. You can see it clearly. This is the slide. So you can edit it here now. You can edit it. If you see anything you don't like, you can edit it. If you don't like the picture, you can also change it. Let us see how we can also download PDF. So we have downloaded it also as PDF. So this is a PDF. You know, PDF you cannot edit it. This is also out. You can share it as on Google Slide also. And that is it. With SlidesGPT, you can create stunning and engaging presentation slides in minutes without any design skills or experience. So why not give it a try and see for yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like our videos, comment, and tell us where we can improve on.